It is interesting to see nowadays how many young folk are taking responsibility of their lives. This is great, as it means that they are not only providing for their families, but also investing in something that will stand them in good stead at a later stage of their lives. These days it may be a little daunting to be facing a 30-year fixed mortgage, but in the larger scheme of things, this is only a short period of time, which flies past faster than many folk like to think. 30 years seems a very long time when you are still young, but before you know it, these years are gone, and if you have purchased property while you were young, you will be seen in your old age. Most youngsters do not think about mortgage rates or aging. This, however, is imminent, and everyone needs to have a place to call their own when they are no longer able to work and need the security of a home to live in comfortably. Of course, as life has it, there will be months where the payment is really difficult to maintain, but you need to be strong and make these regularly. This way you will not owe anyone anything when you are older. The house will belong to you, and you will be able to do with it as you please. You can even get refinance. The good thing about property is that it increases in value as it gets older. This is much like a good wine. The longer you keep at the payments, the sweeter the taste when you need a home most of all. The thing about buying a house when you are young is that you have to consider the size of the family you want. One thing to remember is that they will most likely be with you for a number of years to come. One should seriously consider at least 20 years of housing your family. The first thing you should do when looking to buy property is contact a bank. They will be able to advise you as to your repayments, which are dependent on your present salary. They take into consideration the increases that you will get and also the interest rate that be added to your purchase price. Once they have all these, they will be able to inform you of your payments with a 30-year fixed mortgage. Although you may be surprised, they take everything into their calculations. One may have to get more than one option so as to get the perfect bank doing business with.